Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get admin in Dandy's World. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so gaining administrative admin privileges in Dandy's World on Roblox is typically reserved for trusted community members who have demonstrated dedication and positive contributions. So here's some recognized methods to achieve the admin status. So number one here is establish yourself as a content creator. So by building a following, develop a YouTube channel or have a social media presence focused on Dandy's World content. While there's no specific follower count required, having an engaged audience enhances your credibility. And then also engage with developers. So once you have a substantial following, reach out to the game's developers or current admins to showcase your content and express interest in contributing more actively. They may grant you admin privileges if they see value in your contributions inside your channel, your YouTube channel. Alright, another way is to progress through moderation roles. So you can apply for trial moderation. So you can join the Dandy's World community platforms such as their Roblox group or Discord server and apply for a trial moderation or moderator position. And also you need to demonstrate reliability. So as a trial moderator, exhibit fairness, dedication, and a commitment to improving the community. And through consistent performance, you may be promoted to full moderator or eventually to admin status. You can also join the Dandy's World group and network. So you can become an active member in participating in Dandy World Roblox group and other community forums and just build relationships from there. So engage positively with existing admins and developers. Build trust and demonstrate your passion for the game can lead to opportunity for admin roles. And a side note here, so attempting to exploit glitches or use unauthorized methods to gain admin privileges is strongly discouraged. I've seen this happen and can lead to penalties, including bans. For instance, previous admin glitches have been patched and exploiting such issues against the community guidelines.